So this is a McFarlane Raw 10s. This was a line he put out I thought was pretty cool. Before we get into it, I'll show you what it looked like. I only have another one of these because when I went to Walmart to get one, or I was just looking for, not actually looking for this, I came across it and I scanned it with my Walmart code and it said $1. I went up front to try to pay for it. It came up $5. So I figured $5. I think I paid $20 for this one. I would have, if they had even more, there was only one left and it was $5. And this is the one I picked up for $5. This one I paid full price for, but this one here, this one I paid full price. This is the one I got for $5. This is what it looked like before. I do like the Raw 10 stuff. I should have got some when I had the chance, but I didn't. But it was just blue and silver. Real simple. Really good detail though. Amazing detail. Now back to the what I did here. I wanted to go with a traditional great white look with the colors. Several coats of gray. It was a deep gray. The mouth gave me the hardest time. I don't know if you can see in there or not, probably not, but let me see here. I know it's silly putting it up to the thing like this, but I even went far as deep as getting inside the mouth with the top of the mouth and the teeth. I put some blues and purples in there and saliva look, as you can see. And this one here took me a while. After I did my robin, I figured I wanted to go a little bit deeper and see how far I could go with how deep I could go, meaning how clean it can look, how realistic it could look, how, overall better with a better sculpt could look. And this was a challenging sculpt because the sculpt is so well. The sculpt is so well. I mean, it's amazing. This sculpt is amazing. I kind of wish all this robotic stuff wasn't there and it was a complete shark. It would be perfect. I mean, this is a very highly detailed piece of plastic. Now getting to this over here, apologize for the frames going, my focus going in and out, but this is where it took forever to get every little wire, and it just took forever, man. It was worth it though. Like I said, it's not perfect, I would say. There's still a lot of room for improvement here, just in my opinion. I tried some washes and I did some washes to make it look like it was a little damaged on top and everything, but this took a while. It was fun though. Very exciting thing to do. Really kind of neat thing to do. Really different thing to do. And I decided to put it on a base. All I did was, you can see here, is drill a hole through the center, through this dowel rod. Got a piece of wood and screwed to made sure I didn't cut screw to where this would work. So yeah, but that's it. White on the bottom. Anyway, yeah, that's I got a little, damn it, he was a little cut up here, but I didn't want to make it too bright. I want to make it subtle, not really picking up too much on camera. Real subtle red, like it was healed up, like a scar. I went inside with some dark grays and went inside and hit all the detail pieces. But yeah, this one here, man, is could I do it again? I guess I could, but shoo, I was kind of glad it was over with when it was over with. But at the same time, this was a fun one, man. It was challenging for me at the time. And I'm crazy with the black eye. I don't know if you can see that or not. Probably not, but it's pretty deep how it went. The paint job is the deepest I went so far when it comes to fading in with the airbrush. Only thing I used on here in the brush was all the detail on the robotic stuff and going in, hitting the spots where I needed to hit it for the the cracks and crevices in here. Everything else was airbrush. I like doing mostly airbrush when I can get away with it. I like brushing's okay, but I prefer the airbrush for everything. It's just a smoother paint job, obviously. But anyway, So there it is, raw 10s with a satin finish. I didn't want to go matte because being underwater, being a shark and everything. But all right, man, I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you on the next one.